abortion is once again legal in Iowa up to 20 weeks of pregnancy.
A judge temporarily blocked the state's new ban on most abortions just days after Governor Reynolds signed it into law. Here to tell us what's next for the fetal heartbeat bill is our own Griffin Wright. Griffin, what can you tell us this morning?
Well, Kaylin, the injunction means that the fetal heartbeat law won't be enforced as long as the law plays out its lawsuit in court. Now, a similar situation happened when lawmakers passed a fetal heartbeat law back in 2018. An injunction was filed while legal challenges played out, which ultimately ended with the law being ruled unconstitutional by a district judge. But the legal landscape in Iowa has changed since then, meaning there's no guarantee the current injunction will end the same way. Planned Parenthood of the Heartland, along with Emma Goldman Clinic and Dr. Sarah Traxler, are the ones challenging the fetal heartbeat law this time around, and they hope the injunction stays in place as long as possible.
We are hoping that this order stays in place for as long as possible. Right now, if the state doesn't do anything to appeal, the order does stay in place for the pendency of the litigation. And so that could be, months and months. If the state does seek an appeal in this case, however, there's a chance that it will be stayed by the Supreme Court. All of that is in the states, the ball's in the state's court on that issue.
So as it stands right now, abortion is still allowed after 6 weeks of pregnancy. How long it will stay that way depends on how long the court system takes to deal with this legal challenge to the heartbeat law.
Yes, lots to come, and we'll be sure to stay tuned for the challenges up ahead. Griffin Wright reporting live for us this morning. Thank you, Griffin.